Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to save TikTok leads in Notion automatically. So I'm an owner of a business and I promote my business using TikTok ads. I receive multiple leads through the ad campaign that I'm running with the help of TikTok. Now over here, what I want is that as soon as a new lead is generated through TikTok ads, I want to add that lead as a database item in my Notion account. Now over here, doing this manually is a very time-consuming part. So to solve the problem, I've simply built the connection between these two applications, that too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So now if you want to learn this entire setup step by step, for that I will take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So over here, this is how you will see your connection is going to be created between your TikTok lead generation and Notion. And without wasting any more of your time, I will teach you how you can create this connection. Okay? I have already created a workflow inside my Pabbly Connect account. If you want to learn how you can create your workflow, simply open a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect, and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. And then if you want to purchase the plan of Pabbly Connect, the lifetime deal or the yearly plans, you can simply check out the code on the screen that will help you to get instant discounts while purchasing our plan. Okay, so now right over here you can sign up for free. I've already signed in. I've created a workflow and this is how the workflow will look like. Inside Pabbly Connect's workflow, there will be two major steps: trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. We are going to set up a trigger right over here, in which for my trigger application, I will select over here as what? TikTok. I want that as soon as a new lead is generated through TikTok, this trigger should capture the response of that. Event is going to be new lead. Okay, then click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will teach you how you can create a new one. For that, simply first log into your TikTok account on a new tab with the help of which you're running ads of your business, and then click on this connect with TikTok lead generation button. As soon as you will do that, as I want to connect this account that I've created, I will click on this confirm button, as this is a safe process and my entire data is safe with Pabbly Connect. After creating the connection, firstly we need to select the advertisement ID and the form ID with the help of which we are collecting our leads data. So select the details from here and simply click on this save and send test request button. As in India, TikTok is banned and I cannot manually generate a test lead. So instead of generating the real-time lead, what I will do is you have to read the important note. If you don't have a real lead coming in real time, you can generate a test lead yourself. To generate the test lead, capture the trigger response and TikTok lead generation app. You have to make use of the create test lead action in the next step. You have to add an action step where the action application is going to be TikTok lead generation, event is going to be create test lead, select the ID as well as the form again, and then click on save and send test request button. That will generate a test lead. So let me show you the test lead response that I have captured. So over here, this is the response that I have captured, the test lead response. The name is what? This is the phone number, name is Jane Doe, and this is the test email address. So as now the response has been captured in the trigger, in the similar manner, the real leads data will be captured in place of the test leads data. And as the response is captured, TikTok lead generation is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let us add the data from our TikTok lead generation trigger directly into our Notion as a database item. For that, simply add an action step, in which for the action application, select over here as what? Notion. And for the action event, I will select create database item, click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. Before clicking on this connect with Notion button, log into your Notion account on a new tab. Okay, then click on this connect with Notion button. Next, we have to select the page that I want to connect to my Pabbly Connect account. I have created a database in the name of TikTok leads. I've already selected it. You need to select your database and click on this allow access button, as this is a safe process and my entire data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Next, we have to first Next, I have to first select the database. I have created a database in the name of TikTok leads, so I will select that database from the drop down. Okay. Next, it is asking for phone number, email address, and the name. These are the headers that I've created. You can see right over here, and under these headers, I want to create the record of my leads data. Simply click on this field. Previous step is going to appear. Click on it. In this step, I have received the phone number, and it is asking for my lead's phone number. So I will select the data of my phone number of my lead from my previous response. Now, as I've selected this data from my previous response, the data in this field has been mapped, and as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In this similar manner, I will map the data of the email address right over here as well as the name. Okay, and then it is asking for content which I do not want, so I will simply skip the part and simply click on this save and send test request button, where in the response I have received this response right here, which is a positive response, and you will find in my Notion database item the record of my lead has been created. Name is Jane Doe. You can see this is the email address and this is the same dummy phone number. Okay, so as now the record of this leads data has been created over here in my Notion database as an item, this means TikTok is connected to Notion. Now whenever a new lead is going to be generated in real time through TikTok ads that you're running for your business, automatically the leads data will be created as a systematic record into your Notion database as an item. Okay, so this is how you create the connection between these two applications without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. If you have questions or doubts related to this workflow that I've created, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.